Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from USA to Pakistan through Remitly. It's very simple. You just need to make sure that your account is created in USA and your location in the Remitly application or in Remitly website is United States of America, and then you can send to Pakistan from your location of from USA easily through Remitly. First, you can find the send button at the bottom in the mobile application, and in the website you will find the exchange rate from here. Then simply click on drop down button here and search for Pakistan. After selecting the country, you can see the account status has changed. The sending country has changed here to Pakistan. Now you can simply click on send money from here, and in the mobile application you also can find the send money button. Then simply click on it, and from here you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer from USA to Pakistan. Enter the USD, the amount of USD that you want to send, and it will convert automatically in Pakistan currency. And from here you can choose the delivery speed. You can choose express or economy. Express is Remitly's fastest transfer. You can pay with debit or credit card, and the exchange rate will be 1 USD equal to 274 something Pakistani currency. And in economy it is the Remitly's best price. You can have the best price exchange rate from here, and you can choose according to your need. And here is the fee and the total amount. So then simply click on continue. Then you can send money through your bank deposit or cash pickup or mobile money. Also, you have to enter the recipient's bank account details. If you want to go with the bank deposit, you have to find out the bank. For example, this is the bank, and you just need to enter the recipient's bank details here. You just need to enter the account number of the recipient's bank account. Then enter your sender's details, like your payment method. Then you can also go with the cash pickup option. Here is so many different cash pickup option available here. You can choose all of this that your recipients suggest you. Then you just need to enter their name, first name, last name, and the other details according to their national identity. Then you can see transfer to NGOs and charity in Pakistan aren't supported and maybe automatically cancelled. So you have to go with only the bank accounts or the mobile banking accounts and cash pickups. Through e-wallet, you can find the e-wallets that are available in Pakistan. You can choose one of them. You just need to enter the details of your recipient's e-wallet information here, and just like this, you have to enter the first name, the middle name, and last name according to their e-wallet account. Then you have to enter the e-wallet account number or the phone number that are linked with their e-wallet, and then you have to enter your details, the sender details according to your Remitly account, and you have to select the payment method that you want to use to transfer money from your USA to Pakistan. That's how you can send money from USA to Pakistan through Remitly easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.